Hey little friends, today we are going to learn A to Z alphabet letter and we fix it on this puzzle board. Let's start to find letter A. Yes, we found it. It's the letter A. A is for apple. Apples are healthy, juicy and crunchy fruit. You must eat apple, kids. Let's put it letter A here. Let's find the next letter. It's a letter B. B is for banana. Banana are yellow in color. Now we fix it letter B here. After B, next will come letter C. Let's find here letter C. Yes, here it's a letter C. C is for cat. Speak with me. Cat. Let's put it C right there. After C, next we will take it's the letter D. D is for door. Door. We place it D after letter C. Do you help me to find the next letter? What is the next letter? Yes, you are right. It's the letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant. Elephant is a largest animal on land and elephant color is brown. Now we put it letter E right here. After E, next we will find letter F. Hey letter F, where are you? I'm here. It's a blue color letter F. F is for frog. Frog. Frog color is green. Frogs is a land and water animal. Let's put it letter F after E. Do you know what is the next letter come after F? It's the letter G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. It's the tallest animal. Now we fix letter G here. After G, we need letter H. H is for horse. Horse. Horse run very fast. Letter H, place it after G right here. Now we find letter I. Can you point out letter I? Yes. Thank you. I is for yummy ice cream. Letter I, put it here. After I, we need to find letter J. We found it. It's the letter J. Speak with me. J. J is for jar. Letter J, place it after I. Do you know what is the next letter come after J? It's the letter K. K is for kite. Kite. Now we fix it letter K in this puzzle board. After K, next will come letter L. Can you help me to find letter L? Yes, we found it. It's the letter L. L is for lion. Lion. Lion is a king of forest. Let's put it right here. After L, next will come letter M. M is for mango. It's a yellow color mango. Mango is very sweet and tasty fruit. Now we place it letter M after L here. After M, we need letter N. Yes, we got it. It's the letter N. N is for nest, where birds live. It's a beautiful letter and put it there. After N, we need to find letter O. O. O is for orange. Orange. Orange is very yummy and citric fruit. I love to eat orange. Let's put the letter O right here. After O, next letter will come P. P is for peacock. Peacock is a dancing bird. Wow! Now we place it letter P. I think you know about what is the next letter come after P. Yes, you are right. It's the letter Q. Q is for queen. Queen. Let's fix it letter Q right there. After Q, what is the next letter will come? Yes, you are right. It's the letter R. R. R is for rabbit. Rat. Rainbow. Okay, let's put it letter R here. Can you help me to find the next letter? Now we need letter S. Yes, we got it. It's the letter S. S is for sun. Speak with me. Sun. Okay. Now we put it letter S here. Now we need to letter T. It's right there. T is for tomato. It's a red color tomato. Tomato is a vegetable and we use in salad also. Next is letter T. T goes right there. After T, now we take letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, U, we put it there. Here. Next will come, it's a letter V. V. V is for van. Van. Letter we place it right here. Next letter will come, it's a letter W. W is for whale. Whale lives in ocean. Wow! Now we put it W, this puzzle board right there. After W, next will come, it's the letter X. X is for X-ray. X make a sound of zzz, zzz. Let's put it this beautiful letter X right here. After X, next will come, it's a letter Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Last one is letter Y. We put it Y right there. It's the last letter Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. I think you know about this last letter Z. Z got it here. Okay, see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.